Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's reverse parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control. The car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.